So I need one at that length. Let me go just a hair farther for the blade thickness. Another at that length, that length. 9, 9, an inch and a half. No, it needs to be a bit more than that. Let's go out. Just a tiny, tiny hair. Oop. Just like it's supposed to. That's not gonna work. So the top of this is here. A mark there. Right here. Back down to there. One, two, three. No, not gonna do that. Grab a board and hold this edge. Actually, put it in the vise here too. 1, 2, 3. Snap. 3. Try that again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! If I clamp them together, there's true edge there. Oh my! Want some earplugs? That's a little easier. one cut there. Doesn't have to be perfect. And so you make all those pieces. Ooh, caught. See how close that is. A little more on the tip, a little more on the tip. Cool. A bit too big. Dice aren't going to be able to make that corner. And there'll be a block here. It still might be a little too tight. That looks better. That'll do. Okay. Right there. There. That's the line the screws need to be on. To go here and here. Right there. There you go. This one then goes here and here. 1 and 2. Ooh, don't push too hard. You gotta love those buried settings with one smart button. Uh-oh. Things are getting real now. You know what? I'm gonna go grab. Now, I know if I keep going with that, I'm gonna break a bit, and I only have one that's the right size. So for that, it means demon-possessed yellow brace comes out. did the whole thing with a screwdriver. See, you don't look at those. Don't look at those. See, the whole thing done with a screwdriver. Oh, that's pleasing. $14, $6, $20. Hey, there we go. First try. Happy. So there you go. This is a fun one. My family and I do a decent amount of RPG games, and dice towers are just kind of something nice to have, especially like this where you can see them going. It's just a little bit different. A really simple project with a few screws. You can do dovetail joinery. You can do other joinery on it, make it as fancy as you want. It's a really quick project that you could do in a weekend or afternoon and just have a little fun with it. And yeah, I'm kind of liking this one. I might have to do some other ones, maybe with some different woods, something for other people in the family. And I like where this is going. So I hope you like it. If you did, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe. You know I hear it I say it every week, but those things do help the channel grow. They put us in front of more people and help us out. So thank you for that. I do read through all the comments and I answer as many as I possibly can. Also, we have a bunch of people scrolling over here on the side. They are the patrons on Patreon. And without patrons and members, people who've clicked that join button down below, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. We are sponsored by you, the viewers, and if you'd like to help out with that, you can go to patreon.com. Links to that down below, or click the little join button. We do have special perks for both, and that does help us and keep us going. Thank you. So on that note, I think I'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. I hate it when I'm following a recipe and it says that the vegetables need to be minced. Honestly, I prefer to dice them.